Alright, ready. Alright, so the chicken is here. Alright, so boom, chicken is ready. Nice and big. So I'm gonna see the chicken pan here. So chicken them is nice and ready. Look on the size, mama. See? Nice. Everything up and running. 13, right? So we're gonna load up the pan. We're gonna load up the pan in this one. Yeah, like that. So 13. Let's count and put him in there. So to everyone who a lady ordered chicken for me from not from Portmore. 2 person ordered from Seaview. And they already paid for it, so I only contact 1 person from Seaview and try to call the other lady, but I'm not getting her. Not getting her at all. Not getting through to her. So if you know that you ordered the chicken from Seaview Garden, please call me and just let me confirm, because I'm on my way to go do that now and everything. 1 second. Yeah, man. So see me have my 2 delivery cooler there. So I have this. So what I'm gonna do is to make sure I know that I keep them nice and cool. I get 2 bags of ice and I put on them. So you know that's why I do the running so early this morning. So the next kill will coming up sometime Monday. I do the next kill. So once I do the next kill, I am going to do Mobile and the other places them. You know, so they have to get done. Nice and clean and nice and pretty. Okay. I want it too small. I want it smallest one. We'll put like this. So then get some big chicken. Yes, indeed. So get up and running. Make sure no me have them. Set them really, really nice. Yeah, man. So today is as I said before, my first chicken delivery run. I mean, that's the side of my eye. I know, don't come and say, oh, don't use it. And no, and I wipe it kind of a little bit scratchy. So, the lady at Seaview Garden that call and order the chicken, them win, man. Me a winner. I tell them, man, God has blessed these hands, man. Yeah, my hands are blessed. Your feet are blessed. Your mind blessed when you have a clean hand, man, a pure hand, man. Anything you touch will come gold. You know? And I'm really, really excited to No, no, please. I don't, no. Don't put no number in. Call me. That's not what I wanted to do. If you order chicken, order it from 351-2165. I'm going to leave the phone. My daughter can answer it. 351-2165. Don't put up your number on this live. No. That's not what I'm doing now. I'm not taking no order right now. I'm delivering. So I'm going to leave the phone with my daughter. So she's going to answer the phone. In the meantime, I'm going to do road. So we can call fear number to get the order in. But if you want to notice, I feed you know. I feed the fish then. How much did they count a while ago? 24, right? 24 did count. 24. How much leave in there?
No.
Alright, good. 24. 25. 24, 25. 6. Where that other fridge? There you go. Carry this, go back into the other fridge. We're going to fill up this. 38. So again, to everyone who bought chicken. Shamel? Where is the book? Look here, Shamel. Are you not listening? I'm not gonna have the time. I have to do everything, and I'm going all the way to something when I finish. I am going all the way. Listen to what I'm saying. Give me the book. After I finish, drop this off because I have to drop them off. We can't drive around. And after that, we go straight to Mandeville. Look in the room and pass my book for me. Come take, but let's do everything. Let's do everything. All right? All right, so I'll talk to you in a little bit. Give me the book. Hello? Yeah. So I'm going to go and pick up the red. Yeah, but I want everything for full up.